fix Snapchat mic not working error. First, you want to launch open settings on your device. Now scroll down and find the option of apps, select that. A list of all the apps will be shown over here. Scroll down and find Snapchat, or you can also tap on the search icon and search that. Once you have selected Snapchat, tap on permissions. Now select microphone from here. Tap on allow. Make sure that you have allowed microphone. After that, you want to head back. Now tap on the option of storage. Then select clear cache from here. This removes any temporary glitches without deleting your data. Now you want to check if your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, you can simply reinstall the Snapchat app. For that, tap on the uninstall option. Then you can install it again from Play Store or App Store. You also want to make sure that your microphone is working. For that, you can simply open up any application such as voice recorder and check if your microphone is working. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.